guys, we are Reptiles of Kurla now in Bandra.
Reptiles of Kurla? How?
I don't know. We are heading to.
You'll see soon.
We are.
And you know what?
We are heading to Kurla. We are.
And we are. नहीं वापस अब.
We are.
We are heading to.
अरे.
You can take an auto directly from Bandra station, but you won't get because these people think that हम लोग अलीबाग से आए हुए हैं. And if you are pretty looking, and if you look a bit like us,
beware of being overcharged.
Cut it.
You know what we should start doing? Whenever you want to say cut it, say Diva cut.
Diva cut. ट्रैफिक देखिए और ये है ब्लॉगर दीवू. Your outfit.
Outfit check. White, blue. Lip gloss लगा ले.
Nice. Yeah. What?
Lip gloss.
लगा ले.
अब अनलिमिटेड स्टोरेज नहीं है मेरे पास.
मैंने 2 GB का स्टोरेज लिख रखा है.
खत्म हो
इसके
गया.
पास storage
1.8 TB फुल है.
ये मेरी गलती है. रैंडम एज शिट चीज़ों की वीडियो रहती रहती है.
ये सब गंदी लैंग्वेज मत यूज कर मेरे लोग.
रैंडम एज शिट. इसमें गलत क्या है? कामर देनी हो.
शट अप.
इसे जिंदगी में हंसना नहीं आता है. शी सो सैड. लुक एट हर. लुक एट हर. तूने वो डायलॉग सुना? हंस दे चेहरा था मतलब ऐ नहीं होता.
I am acting cool in public because I'm holding my Diju and he is acting cool by wearing sunglasses when there's no sun.
The sun doesn't need to be there, you know. You can't just think that it's there somewhere around.
Where?
Somewhere, yeah. It's because if the cloud is not there, that doesn't mean you forget the sun, bro. Come on.
Bro, it's going to rain, I'm telling you. See क्या होता है? Sunglasses you're wearing in the rain.
दिख रही है कहीं पे बारिश छींटे उड़ रहा है. नहीं देखिए मैं इसको आदत है, you know, to be sad. It's a time pass thing.
I'm smiling.
No, you're not. हंसदे चला था मतलब ऐ नहीं होता है कि एनानू तकलीफ नहीं होती है. और ना मतलब ऐ होता है कि एनानू तकलीफा नाल डील करनी आती है.
दा मतलब.
मराठी बोल के देखा. महाराष्ट्र में रहकर मराठी नहीं आती है. What is this?
You want to have this conversation?
आती है तुझे? आती है. बोल के देखा. बोला.
मला मराठी येत नाही.
I'm not following.
By the way, एक second.
No. Do these people know
I
you?
don't.
Are you fucking celebrity? No.
I want to be.
Someday.
Someday, soon. But my point was that, of course, as expected, the line was huge. Minimum wait time, 30 minutes. This one is too excited today.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Tiramisu. Wow. Look.
Tiramisu
Easy.
latte.
What?
Tiramisu
But
latte.
they put the tiramisu upar. I don't know.
Matcha is
We
separate.
tried it first time and GG. And it was nice. So let's see how it turns out.
No,
to be.
tiramisu. I've tried Vanya's tiramisu.
Hey.
Bagel egg, shout out.
Yeah, I love her pastries, cakes, and whatever she makes. I love the thing which she puts on Instagram.
Shout out Vanya Chaudhary, let's go.
Yeah, she was going to send, no? On my birthday?
She's in Bangalore.
Oh yeah, I'll go to Bangalore.
Mike.
It doesn't matter. I'm already loud. You told me right now. I think like you know.
I don't know this dude.
Why are you standing in front of her? Cool, bro.
It's the queue.
Yeah, stand in front of the queue. People will understand, no? कितनी गरीबी आ गई बाहर खड़ा रहना पड़ रहा है. Yeah, bet. Yeah, great.
घुस जाना है कहाँ पे? अंदर ही आ जाओ.
बोलना मैं हाँ
लेडी से शुभम.
सिनेमैटिक कैसे हुआ नहीं रहा. क्या करूँ
लोग इतने आ रहे हैं. Are you done? Are you done?
It's supposed to be a good cameraman, you know.
I'm not a cameraman.
Whatever.
What I wanted to say was, we are still waiting. मैंने ना थप्पड़ लगा देना तेरे को. चुप कर जा, मैं तेरे को लूँगी नहीं. हाँ, what I was saying was that we are still waiting in the queue and stop stealing my frame. Cheater. Chore. मार देना.
बैग लगी मैं नहीं लगा.
We will never know if they announced Shubham's name or not because we are both Behra. The title of this video could be Andha Behra.
हाँ सही बात है.
अंधा बहरा.
बहुत आइडिया इसी को आ सकता है. ओह आउटफिट दिखाओ.
This is 20 minutes into the waiting.
Yeah, I'll take more 20 minutes. That's
Minimum
sick.
wait time wasn't 30 minutes, it was 40 minutes.
Yeah, bro. And I don't think so it'll take so much time because there are people coming out. After this,
I want to eat also.
where are we going? I won't tell you this time.
Because he also doesn't know.
Correct.
This person here was so sweet. He was like almond milk or oat milk. हम जैसे लोगों ने हमेशा अमूल ट्राई किया. We just ordered the tiramisu latte. Say hi. Come here.
You always take this angle. Did you tell them about the milk thing?
Yeah.
The guy was asking us which milk do you prefer?
Amul.
But yeah, people like us like they.
Exact same thing. People like us.
Yeah, we just drink Amul milk. We don't know how almond or oat milk tastes. भाई भैंस की दूध पीते हैं.
Yeah, but this place is pretty cute. So
ऐसे तो डायरेक्टली बोल दिया था भाई हम तो भैंस की दूध पीते हैं आप वो डाल के दे दियो.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था.
It feels like you come to some dance club where you know after having coffee there's like DJ party.
आगे का कौन?
ये कौन बोल रहा है चलनी बाती.
See, the thing is that this place is damn cute. It's very nice. The staff shirts are also very cutely made and well designed. But the thing is, if this doesn't live up to the hype, then I'm going to be sad.
You know what? If the owner is sitting there, can't you just tell him that you are a blogger and you have 1 million subscribers and can you just... I'll show you.
What are you trying?
पढ़ के दिखा. This girl from which board? ICSE board is going to read that. जो पानी गिरा है मेरे पे.
Brother, chill.
4 बूंदे गिरे भाई ये देख.
Well deserved. They're our age, right?
What?
हमसे छोटे हैं शायद. हाँ.
इनके followers कैसे ज़्यादा हैं?
हाँ.
Nice! Influencer mode, huh?
Oh my god. Wanna be right now.
I want to be
Me, not you. Why would you?
doing a job. I'm the one who's the wannabe job.
When did you guys even start this?
Cafe about 2 months ago.
Okay.
Almost 3. And the brand about 2.5 years ago. We started as a cloud kitchen.
Oh.
One in Bandra, one in Andheri.
Oh yeah.
Where you from?
I'm from Punjab. But
Also from Punjab.
why are you meeting a lot of
Someone
people?
was just like,
Should I like go say hi now?
no, they're like, I'm from Punjab. Are you also from Punjab? But
No, I wouldn't ask you that question.
I'm racist.
I just assumed you.
I didn't get a name.
Diva.
Nice to meet you.
Influencers in the wild. Hi guys, welcome to Tiramisu Latte. Okay, we're going to give you a taste test, and as mentioned earlier, the place, the people, everybody is really nice here first of all, and our
That's it.
super cool. Okay, we don't entertain bad jokes here anymore because we're going to give you a very professional review of that very viral, hyped up tiramisu latte. तो खाना भी शुरू हो गया.
Where is the daru in this bro? I think I should have a...
The tiramisu is good. The tiramisu is nice. Nice.
It was nice, like the texture and you know the way it tastes, the sweetness and everything is just perfect. And now we're going to taste the drink. You wanna sit? No, sit.
भाई ये क्या aesthetic lighting में आ गई मैं एकदम से. I'm going to keep eating the tiramisu because whoever made the tiramisu is very good.
Like the taste. Yeah, it's
This is my type of a drink. I really like it. Yeah, you can keep suffering in the background while I give you a taste test. It's kind of nice. Properly hyped up. So good. You can come say hi. He's just left now. Aryan. Yes. Not from Punjab. Okay. Nobody should come here. No. Can you stop being racist? If you come here and ask him that question, he's going to get fed up. So just assume that he's not from Punjab. Okay. We're going to go back to this because I really like it and Shubham really likes it. But I'm pretty sure he didn't like the drink as much. I loved it. हंसदे चेहरे दा मतलब ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ.
ये दुखी आत्मा.
You can stop recording.
Why should I stop recording? This is really nice.
It's coffee liquor.
हमने जीजी में ट्राई करा था, तभी भी ऐसे ही लग रहा था इसमें थोड़ा सा दारू है, पर हमें लगा मे बी उन्होंने डाली है थोड़ी सी.
Oh, just realized this is magnetic.
हाँ bro, crazy.
Bro, this is magnetic, so we're now talking to the mic. I'm not sure if they're discontinuing 31st के बाद. I really hope not because I really like it.
दाल पिलाते, दाल पिलाते. If you don't like it, you can just write, won't drink. नहीं चाट ही लेना उसे. गाइस जैसे ये जगह इतनी पसंद आई है तो मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया यहीं पे काम कर ले. तो ये कल से आपको दिखेगी यहाँ पे काउंटर पे विद द टी-शर्ट दे आर वेयरिंग. सीबी प्लस सब देख रहे हैं.
A very cute experience. I actually really like the place. Shubham is clearly Shubham and I both like the place, and I'm going to steal their Pixar lamp. The place is great. The people are great. The food is also actually we didn't try the food. The tiramisu latte lived up to the hype. So besides the waiting time, I think this place is going to become my go-to place for whenever I'm in Bandra. Hopefully I don't have to wait the next time, but let's go. This has potential to become my go-to place in
Let's go.
Let's go. हेडिंग तो बोलना तेरे को भाई. बंदे हंस के गए हम पे क्योंकि हमसे ये नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Where? You know what? There's this thing you have to stand in the queue.
By the way,
Queue here. Look at this. Join the queue successfully.
च्युइंगम नहीं खानी है, सामान नहीं चाहिए मुझे. तो
कैसी जोक्स मारती बताओ मैं. बताओ मैं. ये बता दूँ. हंस दे चल रहा था मतलब. मेरे वो वोट ड्रिंक वाले जोक पे ओनर भी हंसाता था तो बोली मत. हाँ हंसाता क्या हंसाता. रख ले अपने पास एडिटर. I am the main guy, you are the editor.
Reminder to Diva to edit out all Shubham clips.
लोग पिक्चर का लैम्प चुरा के नहीं ले आए. इसके एडिट्स में आएगा अब टिंग टिंग टिंग.
इतनी एडिटिंग कैपेबिलिटी होती तो मैं इधर नहीं हूँ.
उसमें क्या करना है देख मैं बताता हूँ. हाँ वो एक फोटो लेके डाल देना और इसमें फिर वो ट्रांजिशन डालना है. ऐसे जाता ना वो. खत्म. इजी डन.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि वहाँ दो लोग एक्चुअली बैठे हुए हैं. भाई रात को किसी फटी जाए. आहट. अब तो मेरे को क्यों पीछे खींच रही हो. तो पीछे ही हूँ. पकड़ इसे. कैमरा पकड़. ओए
He almost died.
ऑलमोस्ट. खुद के देश में अंग्रेज आगे जा रहे हैं हमारे. वो कहाँ पहुँच गए, हम कहाँ हैं.
तो
वो अभी तक जमीन पहुँच भी गए होंगे.
वो जमीज क्यों जा रहे हैं.